Maintaining a clean car without relying on service center visits involves proactive measures that can preserve its condition and appearance. Here are 5 essential tips. Regular exterior cleaning. Wash your car weekly with a mild shampoo and soft sponge to remove dirt and grime. Waxing every few months adds protection and enhances shine. Interior maintenance. Vacuum carpets and upholstery regularly and wipe down surfaces to prevent dust buildup. Use specialized cleaners for different materials and consider using air fresheners. Mindful parking. Avoid parking under trees or in high traffic areas to minimize damage from bird droppings, branches, or other cars. Protective accessories. Invest in car covers for outdoor protection, floor mats for interior cleanliness, and seat covers to prevent damage from spills or pets. Regular mechanical checkups. While focusing on cleanliness, don't neglect mechanical maintenance. Regular checks on fluid levels, tire pressure, and brakes prevent major issues and contribute to a cleaner driving experience. By following these tips, you can maintain your car's cleanliness and condition without frequent service center visits, reflecting your pride in ownership and commitment to its well-being. For more tips and tricks, please follow our page.